Hi, good day to everyone. I am Dr. N. Bimal Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SRM Madurai College for Engineering and Technology, Sivaganga District. Today's topic is laser beam machining, which comes under non-traditional machining processes, Unit 3, Subject Code CME 307. This process is widely used in modern manufacturing where high precision and non-contact machining are required. Laser beam machining, commonly abbreviated as LBM, is an advanced non-traditional machining process. In this process, metal is removed using a highly concentrated laser beam. Unlike conventional machining, there is no physical contact between tool and workpiece, which makes it suitable for delicate and hard materials. Laser beam machining is defined as a machining process in which a high energy, coherent and focused laser beam is used to remove material by melting and vaporization. The laser acts as a cutting tool and the process is completely controlled by optical systems. Conventional machining methods face problems while machining very hard, brittle, thin or micro-sized components. Laser beam machining is required when high accuracy is needed. Very small holes are to be drilled. Materials are difficult to machine. Hence, LVM is widely used in advanced manufacturing industries. These are the semantic setup of laser beam machining. These are the components: power supply, single wavelength in phase light, focal length, 100% reflecting mirror, flash lamp both sides, laser discharge tube, partially reflecting mirror, lens, focused light, workpiece. So the principle of LBM is based on thermal energy concentration. When a laser beam strikes a workpiece surface, its energy is absorbed and converted into heat. This heat rises the temperature beyond the melting and vaporization point, resulting in material removal. Laser light has three important properties: monochromatic, single wavelength, coherent, waves are in phase, highly directional, minimal divergence. These properties help in focusing the beam into a very small spot, producing extremely high energy density. A laser beam machining system mainly consists of laser source, optical system, power supply, cooling system. The laser source is the heart of the system. It generates the laser beam by simulating atoms in the laser medium. Common laser sources used in machining are CO2 lasers, Nd:Arc lasers and fiber lasers, depending on the application. The optical system includes mirrors, lenses and beam delivery units. Its function is to guide and focus the laser beam onto the workpiece surface. Proper focusing is essential to achieve high cutting accuracy and a minimum heat affected zone. The power supply provides energy to excite the laser medium. Since laser systems generate large amount of heat, a cooling system is used to maintain safe operating temperature and prevent damage. These are the advantages. In laser beam machining, any material including non-metal also can be machined. Extremely small holes with good accuracy can be machined. The tool wear rate is very low. There is no mechanical force on the work. Soft materials like plastic, rubber can be machined easily. Laser machining gives a very good surface finish. It is a very flexible and easily automated machine. The heat affected zone is very small. These are the limitations. During operation, the laser beam is focused on a specific point on the workpiece. The intense heat causes localized melting and vaporization. An assist gas blows away the molten material, forming the required cut or hole. Laser machining cannot be used to produce a blind hole and also not able to drill to deep holes. The machined holes are not round and straight. There is a problem with safety hazards. The overall efficiency of the laser beam machining is low. It is limited to thin sheets. The metal removing rate is also low. The flash lamp life is short. Applications. The laser beam machining process is used for making very small holes, mass macro machining of production. LBM is used in surgery, selective heat treating of materials, complicated welding of non-conductive and refractory materials, micro drilling operation, photography in medical science, spectroscopic science. Assist gases such as oxygen, nitrogen or air are used during machining. They help in removing molten material, cooling the machining zone, improving cutting efficiency and surface quality. The laser used for making small holes. It is represented in this diagram. This is the best example of laser in micro machining in a connecting rod of automotive engines. Increasing laser power in the sense increases the depth of cut and material removal rate. However, excessive power may cause overheating, distortion and poor surface finish. This is the best example. These are the references. Thank you for your valuable time.